Hello everyone, welcome to another session on the basics of MS Excel. Today's session will be again concentrating on the beginners, and this will include few basic things of MS Excel that is necessary to know in order to create a worksheet. So in today's example we are going to consider the expenditure for a month as a sample worksheet. So let's quickly create the worksheet. So first thing is I'll have a serial number and then I'll have date. For date I will have the format as DD, YY and then the item and then the amount. So these are my headers. I'll start with the serial number. So serial number 1, date is 01/01/2016, item is say rent, and the amount is 900.00. Now over here you saw that though I typed 900.00, it got converted into 900. So I'll come back to that, like how to do the formatting. Now let's come to the second one, is 2, and again the date is 1/1/2016, item is food, amount is say 20.50. Coming on to the third item, the date is, I'll say again 1/1/2016, and the item was gas, and the amount is 45.009. The next item is say number 4, the date is 1/2/2016. This is in DDYY format, and the item is say phone bill, and it came out to be suppose like 105.07. Over here you can see that I am typing all my cells. Now if my list grows on and I want to avoid some unnecessary typings like the serial number or sometimes the date, so we can avoid that, and how to create that sequence I'll show you quickly. So first thing is I'm selecting suppose say number 4, and I have to create all way down till number 20, this one. So what I can do is number 4 and I bring it down, the same cell will get copied. You can see 4. So I'll do a control Z. But how about if I want to create a sequence? So what I will do is I will select these numbers over here first, and then I'll drag it. Now this will increase, so you can see this numbers increasing. Same thing if it is a date, I do a control C and I select n number of cells, control V, and the same date gets copied. But if I want to increase the date sequence, I select this one, suppose this 2, and then I drag it, and you can see the dates increasing. And then we can go ahead and fill these numbers over, like the items over here. So I'll take this num as suppose say insurance, and the amount is like 250.00. Now how do we format the amount? So for formatting the amount, you can select a cell, right click, format cells, and you go to the number you want it in which format. Currency, let it be currency. I am having a symbol as dollar over here, and then decimal places you can decide whether you want it 3, 2, or even 0. If I make it 0, it will be rounded up and it will be have dollars in the beginning. Now if I take this and I select a format painter, I can apply the same format to others, and you can see over here the same format has been applied to others. I'll do a control Z and again a control Z, and it is back to the original form. Now if I want to just have it as a number, I'll go to format cells, I'll select it as a number, and then I'll select like decimal places as 2, and you can have like use 1000 separator, like comma will come after every 1000. I don't want that, so I'll say it as 2, and you can see the 900.00 appearing over here. I can again select that one and go and click format painter and apply on all of them, and all of my remaining amount cells have the same format now. I can do one more thing. I can select the cell, do a format painter, and then apply it on the column. Now the entire column has been put in the same format. So if I put any new number now, like suppose phone bill, I'll say food again, and then I'll type like 19 point, say just 19, and you see it gets formatted into 19.00. So all these columns get formatted now. Similarly, I'll show you what to do with the date. So you select a date, right click, format cells, and then again you will see over here the options. Now you go to the date option, and over here you can see like which format you want to place it in. Like this one is MMDDYY format, or this one Friday January 1 2016, this particular format. So you can select that, and you have other options over here, so you can just pick whatever you want from here. As of now, I'll say I'll take this one, and I'll say OK. Now you can see again it has been put in this format. Now I'll take this format painter and I'll do it for entire column. My entire column got formatted in this. Now I'll go to the next item, and let's see how to insert a row. So in order to insert a row, say like on January 4th, I got food from outside like couple of times. So I have to insert one more row over here. I'll go and select this one of January 5, right click, insert, and it creates an insert. It inserted a row just above it. Now what I will do is I'll do a copy and a paste over here, and as of now I'll say Control C, Control V, and then I say like I spend 15 bucks over here, so you can see this. Now these items are like repetitive, so can we do anything to reduce this effort? Or like say I have multiple things on the same date, like say food, and I'll say like it is 17.06. Now you have 3 rows for the same date for the same item. What we can do is we can do a merge cell. Now how to do the merge cell? You can do it horizontally, or you can do it vertically, or you can do like this, both of them together. Over here first I'll do it vertically. So I select 3 of them, I go over here, merge and center. I click on merge and center, and it has been done. Now you can see this 3 cells have been merged together, and one single item as food is over here. Now you can format it in different way. Over here you have some alignment, so you can have it in the left oriented, in the center top, sorry, in the left top, in the center, and you can have multiple alignment over here. Coming, so I'll leave it as left, left and top. Coming on to the date, the same thing applies to date as well. So I'll again leave it as right hand oriented. First I'll do a merge and center, and then right oriented, and then on the top. So you can see this now. Uh, Now over here, this one has misaligned, so I will group this one as well and merge and center, right and on top. So we have done this. I'll leave this one as such. Now there is another, if I want to figure out what is the total amount I've spent till now, we don't need we have multiple options over here. We can write a formula, but I will be considering the formulas in my next session. Over here I'll quickly show you how to figure it out. You select all of the amount, and then you see over here the sum is indicated automatically 1371.64. The count is number of rows you have selected, or number of cells, I'll say, and this is the average. So you don't need to write a formula as of now, and you can get it done. So this was some basic lessons for beginners. Look out for more videos on my channel on YouTube. Thanks everyone. Thanks for listening this. Thank you.